which is a problem. I might have to disappear to go make myself coffee. Watch. Okay, last step. Done, done, done. Right, let me quickly see what's happening here. Okie dokie, what did I miss yesterday? Did I miss anything good? I feel like I missed something good. Come on. Okay. So yesterday was good. It was good. Got some things to work on. Ah, you lie. Oh. Would have been a win. Hey, Crypto Roach, what up? How you doing? How's it going? Sugar, honey, and iced tea. Oh well. Big drop, massive drop there. Cool, cool, cool. I should maybe mark these levels there. While I'm here, let's mark all these out. 1 and 2. Here's one here. Bob, why are you still awake? I feel like that's the better question. Insane Al, hello, how you doing? How you doing? Insane Al, I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? Nope, that one's already taken, never mind. Okay, so we have yesterday's New York low. And here is yesterday's New York high. Now, ooh, oh, never mind, taken already. I was about to say relative equal highs, but never mind then. Here's Asia low right here. Okay. Theoretically, this is Asia high. Huh, cool. Okie dokie. Sorry, I see there's a lot of messages. Crypto Roach, have I ever been to America? I haven't. It's too Crypto, why are you awake? Why are you awake? Hey Sally, how's it going? Insane, are you from India? That's cool. Ah, cool, Bob. Well, I hope you sleep well. Thank you for popping in to say hi. Mad love. You did take a MES sculpt tonight for Damn, Bob, well done. Well done. Silver Bullet Trader, what up? How are you? Advice, hi. Hey David, what's up? How you doing? Do I know Violet? No, I do not. Insane Al, sorry. El Corazotto, no. No? I'm assuming you're asking if I speak that language. No. Lover, how are you? In the charts at the moment, will be correlated by Bitcoin movements. Very likely that things will push heavy today. Really clever. Okay. which means this is going to be an exciting time. That's what I'm getting from this. We're going to have a fun time today. Now that things have opened with a bang, I can't believe the Asia movements recently. I'm so used to Asia being choppy, and now Asia's been doing, I mean, this. It's a bit insane. I'm a little bit nervous. Let's see what comes of the London session now. Silver bullet, you know what? I can't complain. Can't complain. How was your trading day yesterday? Pontus. Oh, really? Interesting. To be fair, a lot of people preferred S&P yesterday over the NQ. My day was good, but bad. Hear me out. I ended in the red, but I should have ended in the green. So this is why I say bad, because I must be better with my contracts, but good in the sense that I actually took trades, and I mean, 3 of them would have been, so not full wins, but partials and then break even. So like I said, I should have been in the green, but unfortunately it is what it is. Are you serious, Solly? What? Well, that's nice. Sure. So Asia is dumping giant amounts of US debt. That makes sense. Thanks, Clover. Brian, how are you? That makes sense. Shan, you think you're gonna wake up at 1 AM to trade Asia? I mean, at this point, this looks a lot better. Which is so weird, but it just looks better. Guys, we do have a problem though. We have a major problem. I haven't had my coffee. Very big problem. Pontus, not worth it? What, not worth waking up at like 1 AM to trade Asia sessions? Is that what you're saying? Was it not worth getting a coffee? Because my little brain would disagree. Coffee good. Coffee good. Okay. Here we go. By the way, I should do a short right now. Pontus, where do you think this is going? To Asia lows? I wish Asia would turn on this 8 AM. Yeah, Solly. I actually don't know how you do it. I'd be half asleep and I'd make silly mistakes trading at 1 AM in the morning. David, I didn't. Let me quickly hop on Discord. I did see you send something, but I was quickly busy filming stuff. That's brilliant. That face is brilliant. David, that's hilarious. Why was he pulling that face? Oh my gosh, I love it. Did not you say I do not trade every day, only when setup presents itself? You know, oh, silver bullet. I mean, that makes sense, right? But are you hoping something appears today? Pontus, yes and no. I stick with my strategy, right? Stick with my strategy. This would not have worked for my strategy. If it came up higher, I would have said, hell yeah, let's do this. Actually would have been ideal if it came up a little bit higher. If this starts to pop up, I might look at taking it. I don't know if it will though. Maybe it will. Or alternatively, this is the setup. Just didn't go high enough. First is doing trading fund account and Oh, David, that makes sense. Nino M, how are you? Want us what? Can do this. Yeah, well then, Pontus, then I don't get a trade, but I don't do market ins. I do not do market ins. I've learned my lesson. It just doesn't work for me. It works amazing for some people. It just does not work for me at all. Passive income, and you say there's a high possibility it's going to go up. Why? Nakabamba. After straggling, you think it's going to go up higher. You guys don't think it's going to come down for at least Asia low before it reverses back up? Sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Micros to be specific. And Pontus, you still think it's gonna down. Well, let's see. Let's have a look now. So if I had this trade, but I'd be going against VWAP here. Okay, interesting, Clover. Okay. Probably just no, Sam, I can't. Where is it? Thanks, David. Sure, which platform am I trading? I'm trading on Project X. Let's see if this would have been a win now. So I didn't take this trade because, number one, there's just not enough confluences. This is not an A+ setup. That's not exactly being fair on my trading strategy, is it? It would be like a C setup at best. At best. Ayo, Bob, what's up? Think it's gonna chop around before going down. Pontus, that's what you think. Let's see. So here would have been my stop loss. Let's see if it would have hit my stop loss if I popped into a short here. Or if it would have been a win. Sam, risk is doing trade and fun. Sam, I don't quite understand the question right now. Are you asking why I don't have a funded account? Is that what you're trying to understand? Oh, thanks, David. Thank you, by the way. Trill Will? What up? What's the question? And Pontus, whoop, I would have been taken out. Yeah, exactly. So why would I then go and make risky trades? So that would have been a loss. Go on, Shrill, what's up? If I like Dunkin' Donuts, I'm a complete bee. My man, don't put, well, I mean, we don't have Dunkin' Donuts in South Africa. Or do we? Well, none that's around me, so I've never actually had Dunkin' Donuts, so... It says I start my day 11% down, so take it with a grain of salt. Clover, don't worry. Clover, that was me yesterday. It was essentially whatever I'm doing, do the opposite of what I'm doing. Passive income, you think it's going up. Rachel, wait. Okay. Just making sure it's nothing bad that my dog's barking at. Don't mind me. You hope the setup happens now, the New York session, Saver Bullet Trader. I mean, don't people tend to enjoy trading Wednesdays in general? I know some people don't enjoy Mondays and Fridays, but I guess Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday tends to be the day to be. Hi, live. How are you? How's it been going? Passive income, told you it's going up. Horrors, what up? How is it going? Pontus, if I were you, I wouldn't trade right now. Yeah, why do you think I'm not trading right now? I'm waiting for confirmation. I need confirmation and an A+ setup. That's what we do here. Patience is key. It's a pain in the butt, but it's key. Oh, sorry, Rachel. I think top one futures is 20%. Yeah, 20% consistency rule. Horrors, what up? How are you doing? My eyebrows are stunning. Oh, thank you, Mason. I appreciate that. David, you funny. Thank you. Listen, Bouncer Boy's on the job today. Bouncer guy? Bouncer man. I feel like Bouncer Boy sounded rude. Moving on. Sorry, yeah. I think he heard the neighbors coming home and he was like, "Go, eat them." And I was like, why? Aw. Thanks, KB. You're so sweet. I really appreciate that. It's nice to get some kind words. I say that. I get kind words very often. Thank you. I appreciate it. Rachel, can I change my strategy or do I need to use the same strategy? Are you asking me about my strategy? I'm actually forward testing, basically improving my strategy. But if you're asking with regards to top one, no, you can trade your strategy over and over again. Yeah. Thomas K, what up? How's it going? Arwas, you can't see chart? Better? Thomas, how was the rest of yesterday, by the way, if you are still awake? I don't know if Thomas has now gone back to sleep. When in doubt, zoom out. So it's popped into there. Let's have a look at the 15-minute quickly. Ah, thanks for the new sub, by the way. Oh, okay. I don't know. You can. I take no responsibility for any losses because I am not profitable yet at all. Oh, shoot. Well, this doesn't look great on the 15-minute, now does it? Huh. Let's check the 1 hour. Well then, we're actually going a bit sideways. Oh, Rachel, no. They don't require that. You can do your own thing. Yeah. Passive income, could I please? What's my strategy? Explain it in short. Would be glad to see. Sure, passive, I'll do it now quickly. Hours, you don't care? Okay then. Sniffies, what up? How are you? Yeah, 100% Thomas. 100%, please follow trades at own risk. I'm very much figuring things out. Oh, nice, Thomas. Okay, cool. This is not looking wonderful on the 1 hour. Okay, go back to the 1 minute. It's gonna look like chaos again for a second. Sorry, guys. So, oh, crying out loud, I hate my view app with the passion of 1,000 suns. Okie dokie. My strategy. I don't even think there's a good example here. I really don't think there's a decent example. Anyway, one thing with Asia. Okay, let's go to yesterday. Let's show yesterday's, shall we? Yeah. Let's pop to yesterday. So yesterday was good. I know I had one loss here, but then I had partials, and this is what I'm forward testing, a 4R strategy, which is quite cool. That's the plan anyways. Thomas, do you think shorts are more poppin'? Interesting. Hunters? Who? Trade TJR strategy. Cool. Oh, nice. If he's got out of work early, I'm kind of jealous. Trade delicious. What up? Thanks, just pull. Oh, nice, Sniffies. That's amazing. Got it. Got it, Thomas. Thanks. Why are you not looking at charts? Yeah. Okay, sorry. That's... By the way, Thomas, this would have been a winning trade. This forward test. Essentially, we go bottom of the range to top of the range. 50% is now entry level. This is where improvement needs to come in. So you can see 50% was entry level here. It literally just wicked in, went up, took partials and moved to break even and was stopped out at break even. Then it went down to where my stop loss was. So I'm forward testing, making my entry at my stop loss. If I'd entered here at my stop loss, it would have continuously gone up for a 4R win. So that's what I'm actually currently forward testing slightly. I forward tested it three times. I think 2 of them were actually wins. This one was a loss. I would have taken partials and would say probably would have gone break even around the partials. Oh, no, I lied. I've only forward tested it twice. I think there was one more area. I mean, with this one, it would have been a loss as well. So yeah, I have my strategy and I'm trying to improve on my current strategy by making it a 4R instead of 2R. Hey, Shocker, what up? Driss, bonjour, how you doing? Don't do anything to the setups, just let them play out. What do you mean? Like, don't take partials and don't go break even? Is that what you mean, Pontus? Silly goose, that made me giggle quite a bit, thank you. Came back, took liquidity, mitigated the untouched supply, and up to TP. Things will chop until Bitcoin hits 106 today, and then that support band where buyers will step in. Ah, okay, Clover. When do you think that's going to happen, though? War is still from the high level. Nakabamba? I was looking at this, but this feels a little bit risky if it's come this far up. It feels risky. I mean, it tapped there. Or is it? So not far to go. If it loses that level, things will go down hard today. Oh, interesting. Okay. You trade 3R props for going for 4R. Sometimes I let mine run to 6R. Thomas, yeah. It's what I'm potentially looking at. It's just a bit scary, and you know, most likely will take partials and maybe trail, which might then take me out. Oh, thanks, Passive. I appreciate that. I try. Are you serious? Oh, what you mean is there's two setups. Thanks. And you really want a 10R trade. So is that your ultimate goal, Thomas? To essentially have a 10R trade? Was I dumb for not taking this? Could have just done 5 contracts, boom. But it took out there. So, Thomas, you still feeling shorts, potentially? Hey, Big Bull, how's it going? How's it going? I think I need a coffee. That's how I'm feeling today. I think I need a coffee. And Big Bull, you think it goes down? I really don't know. I really don't know which way this is headed. Okay. The premium range looks valid to you. Shoot. Well, maybe I might be too late. In the same breath, maybe not. I could potentially still get an entry in. Looking at our previous break, we took a high before breaking lower. Rachel, I mean, I'm using the 50k account, well, the 50k challenge. If you want, well, the link should take you directly there, but yeah. And then, like I said, use Teachmaya as your code and you get a discount, which helps a lot. Okay, then I'm gonna try. Okay, Thomas. Yeah. Thomas. Which entry then? The 50 or the O2? We're gonna try forward test the O2 level today. No pressure. There we go. That's basically, there we go. That's how it looks, Thomas. Hey, awesome, Clover, thanks. Thanks, Thomas. Sorry. Which one? Choose Elite Challenge. Yeah, Elite Challenge. So I didn't go to the funded, I just did the challenge. Saint, good question. So I sticked with the eval. Kratos, what up? You are welcome, Rachel. Yeah. Let's see, are we in this together now? We've got this, we've got this, we've got this. Ideal trades if you want to learn it. Okay, Thomas, up or down? Sideways. Slowkey looks a little bit sideways. Shocker. Yes and no. Yes and no. So yes, because actually trading day yesterday was really good. No, because I ended in the red, but that was because I now need to sort out my contract sizes. That's about it. Yeah. But it was really good, trading wise. We took both external ranges. Okay, so you think it's literally just gonna go sideways? So it wouldn't be smart to get into a short here. Rachel, no, I haven't. I have not. Sorry. I'm here to be honest, I have not yet. Rachel, how long have you been trading for? We have lower buy side liquidity. Can't take the trade, wait for momentum and volume, then confirm. You risk for slow. That's valid. It's just frustrating. Zero line is the high that took external liquidity. You would have been looking for PR. Okay. Okay. And that is now also the Asia high, by the way. So you're streaming at 8 AM. Now it's 12:30, but you said you always stream at 8 AM. Are you? So I stream twice a day. RDR2, yes. I stream twice a day, both for London Open, which is now, and New York Open. interesting, Rachel. Yeah. Is not easy. Mark the high that was taken. Yep, this one. There. This high right here. Got it. Big bull. Am I from Paris? No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. South Africa. Thank you, thank you. Why are you awake, by the way, if it's 12:30 a.m.? RD, R2? Out of curiosity. So this high here, yeah. Got it, Thomas. Sorry guys, we're getting a lesson from Thomas today. I love it. But I mean, okay, I think the question is, why are you not asleep yet? Oh my gosh, what time do you wake up in the mornings? RDR2? I keep wanting to call you R2D2, sorry. Oh, this kind of sucks. Ooh, do you know what does suck? Nope, wrong way around. Huh, never mind. I lied. It's just going sideways today. That sucks. The rip. I'm trading ICT concepts. So not exclusively ICT. Sorry. I've come to realize that. I lost the thing I was playing with. There it is. I found it. You wake up at 6 a.m. So, yeah, I've come to realize insomnia is just a thing. Like, damn. Nope. This is just going so. Thomas, I've realized. How do you guys function? I say that like I sleep really well, but still, how do you guys function? I don't sleep well, but that meh. Okay, David, good luck. Sounds like fun. You actually slept most of today because you were told to go rest. Nice. Who told you to go rest? Did Bob yell at you? I feel like Bob yells at people. I love Bob though. The advantage of trading waiting is also trading and defending capital. Now, remember, it's valid, and I know patience is key. It's just sometimes frustrating. Well, I guess we sit and we wait. Navid, hi, how are you? Michael, hey. Yeah. 100% Thomas, I can imagine. Definitely they would have scolded you. Had that from them a few times. But I'm glad you rested at least. It was 39 degrees. What? Solly, how do you even sleep in that? Okay, to be Yeah, what, do you have air conditioning or something? RDR2, should I go to sleep or pull an all-nighter? Don't ask me for sleep advice. I would say rest because rest is good, but you have peanut butter and jelly on 2 English muffins before bed last night. Ooh. Oh no, because I haven't had my coffee. That's now making me hungry. And I haven't gone shopping, so I don't have any food. No, damn it. RDR2, you can't do that. No, go to sleep. Go to sleep, and then you'll be fresh and ready for the New York session. You already told me about the short. You're a big trader from Mumbai. Very cool, big bull. That's really cool. Where do you think it's gonna go down to, big bull? Then I can go and see. Because maybe the sin was a goodie. And then my initial instinct was correct, which is weird for me. I don't normally trust that. Oh well. Wow. This is just very boring price action. Yep. High Life is, I can confirm, he is the biggest trader from Turkey. Thomas. What? Do I have any paid courses, Big Bill? Is that what you're asking? I do not. Oh, Solly, do you want a tip? I don't know if you want a tip or not, but I have some advice if you are keen. Ayo, night, how's it going? What time is it for you? I feel like it's very early for you. Thanks, RDR2. I'll see you then later. Go sleep. Good. Why? What happened, Knight? Oh, Thomas, you were freaking me out there, man. I was like, what's wrong with my job? You prefer stocks? Megacorp? Why? What's up? Or just why? Oh, it's 7 PM then. Nice. Why do you feel kind of low though? What happened? Wow, this price action is not fun right now. Massive moves in Asia, which is weird, and now it's just doing this. I mean, I could have taken a partial with that. It's just, this is an itty bitty baby range. Itty bitty baby range. Devine? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. That's weird, Night. I wonder why. Maybe you had a dream about it? Nakabamba, that makes sense though, and it's true, it's really valid. Oh, big bull. BD, you're calling longs. But Solly, I'm not sure if you're one of those that like has to have a debate or something on top of you. I am one of those, which makes the problem, but just take a debate out, go wet your sheet, like literally just wet your bed sheet, and then sleep with a damp bed sheet over you. It helps, especially with the fan blowing on you. Even if it's hot air, with a wet, damp bed sheet on you, it helps cool you down. In hood spread, I had to do that because it got to like 50 degrees. Mark the bullish value gap on the 2-minute chart. This big mother right here. Wait, isn't that bearish? This one here. Let me just mark both. Because there's that tapped into. And now there's this fair value gap right here. That also basically tapped into. David. Trading Nasdaq looks like it'll go up later today. Namibian time is 9:50 now. Hey! Namibian friend, how are you? Yep, same time here in South Africa. Oh, sorry, Thomas. Hi, live. Stop. You're welcome. I hope it helps, or at least works. Yeah. We're in a messed up range, not touching the highs or lows from yesterday, just ranging within. Yep. So this is fun. Oh, cool, Monday boys. Yeah, this is just even on the freaking 1 hour chart, it looks not so great. Okay. Okay. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Okay, this just looks like it's gonna be ranging. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Hey, Papa Jugger. Guys, let me go put the kettle on. I think I need a coffee. I think that's where we're at. Ricardo, what up? Can you guys watch paint dry for me? That's what I'm just gonna call this chart right now because this is ridiculous. Hopefully, I'll put the kettle on, then I'll come back, keep you guys company, and then when the kettle's done, I'll go grab my coffee. Ethan, hi. Art P, samesies, MNQ here. Ricardo, what kind of... No, not tea. Coffee. Coffee needed, coffee good. It's morning and I haven't had coffee yet. Only real interesting trade that pops out is that liquidity sweep plus inverse. Wow, as I was gonna go make coffee, everyone rocks up. Okay. Are you guys gonna time me? I want to see how quickly I can put the kettle on. Bear in mind, I have to run upstairs, put on the kettle, and run back down. Are you ready? I'm gonna leave my microphone on because this could be quite funny. If I fall, you'll just hear chaos. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go put my kettle on. Ready, set, go. And I'm back. Woo! Okay. Was it fast? Was I slow? I feel like that wasn't bad. Perry nearly tripped me like 5 times, but it's okay. 21 seconds. Not bad, not bad. Could be worse. Okay, see. Usually trade the 4 hours. Sorry, let me read what Bundu Boys. You went for high people. Big stretch. Okay. You guys can't see him, sorry. Usually trade 4 hour or 1 day. Use the 50-minute time frame to analyze the market with broker. Am I using... Oh, Bundu, so I'm using top 1 futures currently. You with RoboForex. Nice. I've not heard of them, but obviously that's because I'm not trading Forex. But anyways, Ethan, thank you for the the counting. No, sorry, no. It's like a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, but because it's coastal, everything basically has an upstairs. So it's very weird. It's like the bedrooms and the bathroom are like downstairs, and then upstairs is the living room and the kitchen. It's really pretty. It's really pretty, but it is a climb to get up. Anyways. Ricardo. And Mrs. Living. Hell yeah, running around, making myself coffee, but you know, don't want to leave you guys alone. You guys can cause trouble by yourselves, so I'm like... Anyways. I'm kind of impressed that I'm not out of breath. Anyways, joking. Saying yesterday's highs and lows not being taken out and price reversing just before taking these highs and lows makes me think we're gonna start a nice move on the New York session. Ooh, Night. That makes sense. I kind of hope so. But Night, have you seen what the Asia session looked like? It was actually pretty insane for the Asia session. So I mean, this could just be accumulation now, right? So maybe London is just going to be the accumulation phase, right? Put the main character on. Sorry, he doesn't want to, and I can't pick him up. He weighs nearly 40 kilograms. I can't pick him up. I will break my back. Also to note that day before yesterday, fair value game still less untapped, makes us bullish, makes me think we're going to all-time highs today. Interesting. Big ball shape, thank you. You're very sweet. Scalp, no, I'm renting. I'm renting because I'm not sure how long I'll be down at the coast for. So just renting. Mohammed, no, I'm not a crypto trader. I'm trading futures. Apparently today we're chilling. That's fine. No, post a chart. I'm interested in your perspective. Okay, that would be on Discord though. That's fine. Sorry. Tell him. Scalper, my back disagrees with you. My back is 62. Okay. In your opinion, we took New York PM session and Asia session high, which would have been a great liquidity grab for NPR. Oh, damn. Bundu, that's quite nice. RP, you're in long of the overnight anchored VWAP at 6 PM. Nice. Holy cow, okay. How long... RP, do you do scalping or swing trading? What's your thing? Here we go. I'm low-key frustrated that I didn't take my trade, but in the same breath, yeah. Which coin am I trading right now? Not trading. Wait. Oh, AZ, thank you. Very sweet. Opening with record growth. Updating my buy 50 minutes looking bearish. Asia lows, maybe. So I was thinking Asia lows when I hopped on, which is why I was looking at this range. Maybe I should have done a check. It would have popped in beautifully there. Beautifully. Oh well. It's too late. Hey, opulent family! Jazz? Yes. Okay. The kettle's boiled. I want to say time me doing this, but this feels like a bad idea. Running with hot coffee is a bad idea. This is going to make me cry. This right here would have been my entry. Man. Yeah, so I know probably wouldn't have been the smartest trade, so I should just, you know, don't let that get to me, but still. BD, run for it. Okay. Again, I'm gonna keep this on. If you hear swearing, just cover your ears. That would be me tripping down or up the stairs. I've done that before. Okay. And it's coffee time. I'm not gonna watch this. I'll go scream in a pillow. If you guys hear me screaming, it's because I'm frustrated about this trade. Be right back. Good. I'm back. No, it looks to me this trade might reverse before hitting TP. Oh, you think so? Oh, maybe. In which case, cool. Okay. Vujay Novak, don't get emotional. I know. Earn with Pascal, what pair is this? These are not pairs, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Emerald necklace and a pair of emerald earrings from the set of... Is he what? I feel like I missed something. Why do you have those? I would love to see Asia midpoint hit and it's really heavy than the lows. Okay. Bundu boys, Maya, am I trading using 1 minute? Yes, I am. Bless me. Anyways. Yeah, I know, Vujay. I know. That is true. That is true. There is always another trade. We just need proper confirmations now. Like, damn, come on. So, Knight, sorry, I read it and I didn't ask the question. Knight, what are you seeing that makes you think it may reverse before hitting TP? Pascal. Well, it's not really a pair. It's the futures. It's the future. No. The 1 minute order block is being respected. Yeah, actually, I don't know why I'm being upset. This is not ideal price action at all for my strategy. Oh. Okay, AZ, wait a second. Oh, are you saying you want to buy it? AZ, you're saying you want to buy it from a museum. Is that even possible? Rachel, 1 hour candle goes bullish. Sorry. Ignore the noise. No. Bearish. Okay. Okay, there we go. My chair was stuck. Moving on. Sorry, yes, so we're practicing patience right now. Yeah. Indeed. This is patience to the next level. This is like watching paint dry. It's why I needed the coffee. I was like, I'm gonna fall asleep if I keep watching this. Art P, am I an ICT trader? I use ICT concept. But yeah. For J, do nothing, sit on your hands. I'm just gonna hold my coffee. That's gonna burn my hands, but yes, I'm doing that. Ethan, you're playing a game. Choose side on your second phone. Should I supercharge your car or turbocharge? I don't know the difference. I know turbocharge, so let's go with turbocharge for funsies. Isaac will go 4 times up. Just come. You don't see. Anyways, you don't see the chart clearly. There we go. Is that better? The rip. Yep. Yep. That's basically where we're at right now. We need to wait for confirmation. So I guess we now sit and we wait. Teach your course one just an instinct. The technical seems bearish. Market structure has shifted, but doesn't seem good enough. Oh, Knight, let's see. Where do you think it's going to go down to? Out of curiosity. I want to see how good your instinct is. So you don't think it'll hit TP. Where do you think it's going to go? Mighty Cucumber. That's a bit of a tricky question because I feel like everyone has different preferences. Right? It's like asking, do guys prefer personality or... There was a worse way of saying this, but yeah. Anyways. There we go. It's like asking, do you guys prefer a pretty face or a pretty body? I'm butchering this. I think it prefer... Coffee. I think it depends on the person. That's what I was trying to go for. RP, what? Oh, oh. AZ, sorry. 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 Sorry, I ruined your punchline. I apologize. Earn with Pascal. No, but I have a Discord. Yeah. Bandu, hanging hammer next to a shooting star. Is that an actual thing? Or are you making up words now? Sorry, I've come to realize that there's actual things. But anyways. Wow, Oddby. Wow. Okay then. So as you saw in the chart, it'll hit lower than the last one. Hasbox? Yeah, I'm probably bummed now, but it's fine. Bujay, like you said, there will always be another trade. There will always be another trade. There will always be another trade. Hey, George, what up? Never mind, you can breathe. What's wrong? What happened? I feel like I missed something. Okay, night. Sorry. Ah, you must be joking. Ooh, AZ, that's valid. That's valid. I've heard, you know, if you can't hold a conversation with someone, it's instantly like not attractive. There we go. English. Hey, college student, thanks. Can you partner with me? What do you mean? Daichi, can I give a quick overview of how you analyze the charts? How do you put the indicators and lines and stuff, please? Daichi plays, sure, I can. Casbox, yes. BD, shorts, baby. Oh, there we go. Okay, let me note this. This would have been a perfect trade. Literally. Well, yeah. Perfect longer term trade. In and just melt it to TP. Let me take a note here. I'll leave this up. Anything else? Trade, maintenance aren't nervous. Okay. Nightsy instincts are not right. But I mean, nothing is perfect, right? Night, that is the thing with trading in general. Never perfect. And you can never say 100% guarantee. If anyone ever says that this is 100% strategy or whatever, they're lying. Ooh. Do you play... Ethan, do I play video games? Yeah. Yes and no. I have. I haven't played in a while. I actually played Battlefield the other day. It was quite fun. Never played it before, and it was good. Thomas, I'm sorry, this is kind of... That's okay. Don't apologize, Thomas. It was my choice. It was my choice to not take it. Would have more conviction on my trades if aligned with high. I have structure shift making this high probability. Yeah. Casbox, it was. Did I? Oh, I did. I spelled it wrong. Thanks, Casbox. I was like, what? Oh, I see. I spelled it like a chop. Thank you. Thanks, Casbox. Was that bugging you? I'm assuming that was bugging you. Hey, shocker. As I was saying, technicals were looking bearish, but the trade didn't seem good enough to me. In this trade, you have a good app called Notion. Asia lows. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Well done, BD. That makes sense. Oh, thanks, AZ. Enjoy. I hope you sleep well. Casbox, that's fine. It's fine. Don't stress. I understand. Believe me. I get it. I get it. Okay. Big enough is not so risky. I don't know if it's going to come up this high though. Okay. More consistent with my contracts. Makes it that much. Point is, I've placed the trade now. Why is that, Casbox? Asia mid hit, going for Asia low, stop move in profit, pay the trader. Ooh, okay, David. Where's your TP at, David? Hey, Zar Trader, how's it going? How's it going? Hell yeah, Izzy. Puts everyone to sleep. I love it. Watch it now be a loss, but I have my 1, 2, 3. Wait, let me double check. Higher time frame. That looks good. Good. It's taken up there. 5 minutes. Sorry, don't mind me, I'm just being quiet, just... having a look at things. Bujay? Is that your dog? What? The thing that keeps barking? Yes, that's my dog. Nakabamba, down. Yeah. Don't think it's gonna come get me though, unfortunately. So that's good though. David. This sounds like a very entertaining story. I think you need to pop me a message in Discord and tell me what happened. This sounds like drama. TP at 22, but closing some if we climb back up above if we wrap. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna come and get me. I didn't know that was a thing. But anyways, could close on one trade a day person preferably. Yeah, David, and that's fair. Big bull. AZ, I'm sorry. How did you know? How did you know? I specifically trained my goldfish to start barking to confuse people for fun. Ooh, Casbox, what's my zodiac? Coming here with the question. Ooh, here's what do I seem like to you? David, I'm sure after everything you've watched, you kind of have started to understand some things when it comes to trading. Aw, Rubberneck, that's so cool. Thank you. Keep it up watching from the North Sentinel Island. That's awesome. What's it like there? Oh, Casbox. No, my best friend's a Gemini. Sagittarius. You're an aquarium for sure. Blake G. Gosh, I love that. I love that. I love that. Nice, David. I mean, do you know what a candle is, at least? Tell me you know what a candle is. Martin Wood, what up? How's it going? How's it going? No, I don't think this is gonna come up to get me. Or it might, and then it's gonna take me out for funsies. But point is, I've placed the trade, and I've done the right amount of contracts. I think those were the important things for me today. Those two things were important for me. Oh, that's okay, Thomas. Don't stress. Maybe you need to go back to bed. It's like the middle of the night for you, I'm just saying. The burning thingies. Yeah, David nailed it. Okay. Martin, I'm glad. What do you trade, Martin? Ah, interesting, Catsbox. I wonder why. David, 25 MNQ partials at 88. If it comes back up, and let the rest ride at break even. Let's go. So, David, you're now just chilling. Nice. Thomas, go to sleep. That's all I can say. Unfortunately for me, I was awake at like 5 a.m. because I wake up with the sun, and the sun was, can you tell I've woken up a little bit? I just had like some sips of coffee and I'm like, okay, we good to go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Mine's Gold, what up? Thanks, Thomas. You are the best. I will see you later. Enjoy. Mine's Gold? No. So, to be fair, yesterday was actually a good day. Hear me out. I ended in the red, but that was my fault. One thing at a time. So I actually took trades yesterday. Step 1, I stopped overthinking everything. Step 2, they were actually really good. I took partials and went break even for 3, so I should have been, well, I had 1 loss, so I should have been 2R up yesterday. But because I put the wrong amount of contracts in, I was a little bit in the red. So that's on me. So today I've now Well, at least placed a trade. Yeah, I've at least placed the trade and I've put the correct amount of contracts. So now I just need to be more consistent with that, and then I should hopefully start becoming more profitable. It's just, yeah. Like I said, and I don't think I can stress this enough, the mental side of things is actually more of a B than I thought it would be. Wow. Ethan, you wake up in the afternoon. I can't sleep during the day either, so if I ever have a nap during the day, there is an 80% chance that I'm actually sick. Oh gosh, you guys are funny. DK, hi, what's up? I'm watching the chaos. I mean, Big Bull, there's nothing I can do right now. I've placed my trade, I sit and I wait, so to have the weird and wonderful conversations is good, right? It's part of why this channel is here, because trading can sometimes be boring. I have my setup, I don't know if I would call this an A+ setup. An A+ setup, my range would probably be at the top. I would probably call this a B setup. But I have my setup, I have it set, and I have my contract set, so all I can do now is wait. The rip yep trading throws you to self-discovery. Yeah, just a little bit. So, Bujay, because we are on a bearish, now definitely confirmed, bearish trend, and I'm waiting for it to actually take Asia lows. So, theoretically, I would have my TP down there, but I'm trying not to be greedy, and I'm just trying to stick to my strategy. So I went top of the range, bottom of the range, confirmed. I have a fair value gap, and I call this a shelf. I don't know if people have different names for it or whatever you want to call it, but I call it a shelf. I have this shelf as a confluence and a fair value gap that I'm hoping it rejects off of to continue down. I say it's a B because on a higher time frame, the range could be higher, and there could be potentially a better entry. But yeah, that's why I'm saying this is a B setup, not an A+ setup. I have my two confluences because even up here where the stop losses is not ideal, it could be higher. Hello. The bears have upper hand with the trend supporting, but on a long time frame, short time frame is tough today. Nakabamba, yeah, it's why I'm kind of trying the bigger ranges. Let's see. So when you were young, you could only wake up early in the morning, but now I struggle to get up in the morning, probably because of the late nights. I mean, that would do it, Ethan. That would do it. Sergio, hola, am I married? Nope. And take profit is at 252. Alex, what up? BD 214 next. So yeah, to take out Asia lows, right, BD? Mosin, yes, I'm hoping for a sell. Well, I'm hoping it gets me first and then a sell. Right, I'll be back. Hopefully my ex and the 19-year-old leaves it. David, please tell me the drama. This sounds very entertaining. Anyway. How did I get introduced to trading and how you share your learning experience and what you went through? Oh, sure. So I got introduced to it by my friend. They taught me the basics, if you will. I got into it because essentially I wanted freedom. You know, not to be rich, not to be having an easy life, none of that. Freedom. Oh, this does not look promising, but we're sticking with it. I placed it and we stick with it. Now here, sorry, give me 2 seconds to focus. 5. That's too low. Okay. Respect the shelf, please. Watch it now go up, but it's fine. Now I'm just gonna stay distracted by chatting to you guys. And then essentially I just wanted the freedom, like I said, financially is a bonus, but freedom from a boss. I'm a little bit of a pushover, which is not great. It means I get taken advantage of in the workplace often because I ask, can you do this? And then I do it. And then they say, can you just do one more thing? And then I just end up doing a lot of work for no extra pay, and it's not ideal. Richie, hi, how are you doing? Maya David wants to be my brother. That's fine. I flipped and got short and sold. Well, ooh, nice, RP. Okay. The rip, what is freedom for me? Let me respond now. So freedom, literally, it's just, like I said, not having to deal with anyone bossing me and telling me what to do. You know, you can choose your own work hours. Oh no. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, big pull. Yeah, don't want any boss. Yeah, Casbox, financial freedom is a biggie, especially, cannot stress this enough, owning horses. Mistake. I'm joking. I love them to bits and pieces, but my gosh, they are expensive. Ooh, okay, Knight. Let's see. I'll have a look where you entered. Come on. Oh yeah, okay. Cool, now I'm break even. Partials taken and break even. Sorry, yeah. Now I can focus on you guys because it's hands off. Doesn't matter what happens now. If it takes me out of break even, it is what it is. If it hits my TP, that's awesome. Oh, anyways, Mr. Opinion, good morning. How are you doing? Thank you. Yeah. That was a goodie. I'm chuffed. Let's see what happens now. Ah, there we go. Nakabamba. That's exactly it. What would I do now if I were free? Like, just free from everything. Like, I don't have to worry about finances and. Is that the question? Most likely, well, probably buy too many horses, but that's not the point. But travel, I think I've been dying to travel. I've traveled a little bit when I was younger, like with my parents and stuff, but you know, I think it's different when you're young, you don't appreciate things as much. So yeah, I would really love to go and travel and see the world. but that is expensive, especially, you know, rands. Oh, Big Bull, you want to help me? That's very sweet, thank you. Freedom not dealing with unqualified. Oh, yeah. Bitcoin rich? Hell yeah. Sometimes you sit there and you're like, how am I making less money than this person? Yeah, that happens all too often. Mr. Opinion, be careful, it may go up. It's fine. If it's break even with the partial taken, it's okay. There we go. So break even, but a partial was taken, so I am $107 up for the day. Hey! That's not bad, right? See, it took the correct contract size. I have the wrong thing that I've now done there. Took the entry and stopped at break even, and that's fine. That's really fine. Okay, let me just pop this over a little bit more. Okay. Let's do win and break even. Let's see if this would have been a win later on, or if it would have been a loss. Let me take note. Okay. Nice. Partial break even. Entry was plus. Sorry, I'm trying really hard to be more positive. So I'm noting the things that could be changed. So now let's see. Let me put it just under here. Let's see if this goes down to where TP is. Night. Let me hop on Discord. Let me see where your thing is, by the way. Wait, Night, I'm confused. Is this your trade that you are in? Right? And that's where you predict it's gonna go? Okay, I'm gonna pay out. No, wait, I'm being blonde. I'm looking at yesterday's. Sorry, Night. Ooh, okay, I see. Sorry, Night, that was me being blonde. Okay, now I can respond to you guys. No boss, no customers, no schedule and time breaks and lunches, no dealing with stupid co-workers. Actually looking forward to getting up, looking forward to Monday morning after Friday close. Art P, I think you summed it up. That is literally it. That is the hope with trading. And don't get me wrong, I don't think, and I did not expect it, ooh, English, to be an easy journey. But yeah. Only millionaires can afford to have a horse. Yeah. Well, no, because I mean, I have a horse. I'm definitely not a millionaire. Just saying. Lucky Lefty, what's my target? 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. So I take partial at 1R, and then my full TP is at 2. So I'm gonna make a note now if this would have been a win or not, and if going break even was a mistake. Because I saw yesterday. Let zoom out. So I did this yesterday. So this one would have been a loss. So I'm glad I went break even. This would have been a win. And this one would have been just a loss. Let's see. So far, just going break even seems the better way to go for now. Let's see what this does. Oh, Kobe Nicholas. You sure you get this a lot? I like your videos and I'm wondering whether I should be listening to you. Kobe, so I'm still learning. I'm not here trying to pretend that I'm not. I've only been trading since April. I still have a very long journey ahead of me. I'm under no impression that I am amazing yet. I'm still figuring things out as well. So should you be listening to me? Questionable. I'm not profitable yet. I'm putting it out there, but that was more to do with my own silly mistakes. I should actually be a lot higher up in profits, but that was me being silly with my contracts and I thought I was doing risk management, but I was actually shooting myself in the foot in the long run. So I'm being better today. Oh no. Oh well, it's fine. I'm being better today with my risk management and my contract sizes. Point is, I'm not profitable yet. So if you're hoping to watch me and get rich, not yet. If you're hoping to watch and join for the journey and learn together and learn a lot, again, I cannot stress how much this community helps and teaches me every single day. Okay, LP, explain, please. Why not? Sorry, I just saw what LP said. But Kobe, I hope that answered that. You can see my everything. My balance on my eval account. That's why I have everything up here so that you guys can literally see where I'm at. Right? Let's not forget how much I've lost in early days. Yeah, Casbox, that's valid. Ooh, I've missed a bunch here. I've missed a bunch. Sorry. For me, trading is a zero-sum game. You end with zero. Explain? Travel the universe, please? Bitcoin Rich. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still new. You're an extreme break-even guy, David. Yeah, but you also have like some trades. Oh, it would have just missed my TP. Let's see if this goes down a little bit further. So the math on taking, okay, I saw that. I like trading because it gives you control. If you make a mistake, it's all yours and make your emotions under control. I thought it was a loan, thanks. Nakabamba, of course. Yeah, hell yeah. And this is why there's this community, so that you don't feel alone. I think trading can sometimes feel really lonely. Like, I can't talk to my friends about trading. They don't understand what the heck I'm going on about. If I try and talk about the emotional side of it, they're just like, then don't do it or whatever. Like, it's a lot. So to have like-minded people, you know, experiencing the same journey or that have experienced it, yeah, it's a lot. And it's nice to know that you're not alone. You now have to wait for us to get the same reward as just taking all off. Now I have to wait for price to go to 1 to 2 to get the same reward as just taking all of them. LP, I hear you, but wouldn't you still be earning then? But isn't this just like risk management, LP? I hear what you're saying, but isn't this just risk management so that you don't lose out if it's a break-even trade? But if it, you know, so you're not missing out on anything and you're actually earning a little bit if it reaches your partials and takes you out at break-even. But then if it does then hit your proper target TP, then you're up even more. So it doesn't matter if you lose or not. Does that make sense? I hear what you're saying though, but isn't it just risk management? I hear you. So what if I took less partials at 1-to-1 or more partials at 1-to-1 and almost left one runner at the 2R? So let's say this one was 10 contracts. At the 1-to-1, if I then, my partials were 9 contracts and then I just left one at the proper TP. Hey Pips and Dips, how are you? How's it going? You caught a 50 game. What? Damn, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Yeah, 100% Casbox, you know. Trading is a risky business. It only dependable based on your strategy and the discipline that you put. Fast money flies, as they say, so start short and learn. Hero Bay, that's nice. Damn. Everyone is brilliant in a bull. Hard truth. Make it through a good bear market and you earn stripes. Keep it up. Mental aspect, keeping yourself grounded. Fight to already focus on mental well-being. Thank you, Bitcoin Rich. I appreciate that. Video session had already expanded a lot. Yep, that was up for the London session. Nicole, literally, I saw that as well and I was like, what's going on? I was not expecting that at all to come from the Asia session. When I opened the charts this morning, I was really confused, but... If you search for breaking even, you're gambling. Managing the risk is how much you try to gain in the worst case. Wait, oh, wait. Casbox, explain that. So if you search for break even, you're gambling. Managing the risk is how much you try to gain in the worst cases. Martin, I haven't read it. Psychology of Money. I've heard... Okay then. I've heard about it. If you wait, you never lose money. I mean, yeah, but still. Anyone investing in AI companies? Ooh, Caro, should come back later. I'm sure I Love Tech will have a lot to say about that. Hence his name. he does indeed love the technology. Yeah, David, you kind of are. Jordy's strict. Nox has been MIA. Where has Nox been, actually? I know he's been on Discord, but he hasn't really been online that much. Yeah, well, I mean, I enjoy it. I think it's fun. Break-even strategy is regaining what you've lost. That means you don't care enough to know what happens next. You just need to regain the money you know. Casbox. I think I'm understanding what you're trying to say. I think. But like with this, for example, I sit and I watch and I take notes of how many were losses and how many were break-evens and if it was worth doing that. Does that make sense? Oh, sorry. Don't worry, Casbox. That's okay. I get it. I get it. Hey, Michael. Awesome. Hell yeah. And as well as swing trade. First, you'll select few account company. Wait for 7 months. You do intraday as well. Runa, well, I mean, today I'm up $107. Don't ask me how many points. I guess you could say I'm up 1 R. Am I using leverage? No, Cabo, I'm not. Sorry. Super itchy nose. Maybe check this out. Quick sticks. Damn. I'd use this range. That would have been a goodie. Let's see if this would have hit TP. It's kind of chopping now, which is not ideal. We lose 2 trades in a day if you think about doing 2. Oh. Yes, got it, Casbox. Got it. I got it. Thank you. Yeah, I don't do that. Well, I hope I don't do that. I just treat every day as a new day. I don't look back going, oh, I have to make this better. I need to do one more trade to get more money or whatever the case may be. Jordy! Yeah, Jordy, we're just talking about you. Going down, what is it waiting for? What is it doing? Oh. It's hit a support zone on ES. What does it hit? Has it hit anything here? Basically, it just looks like it's tapping into this order block and respecting it. Casbox, I feel like we could have a discussion about this, though. I feel like we could have a discussion about this. Oh, it's the Asia mid. Oh, is that what it is? Thanks, Rip. Player unknown. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Huh, so this would have been a win. Hmm. Dave. Oh, David, hell yeah, that sounds amazing. Wow, this was quite a strong momentum up. Casbox, what? Stream elements, what? I'm so confused. Anyways. There we go. Taking it. Is it gonna keep going back down? Take the range from 8 to... Oh, okay. Thanks, Rip. Yeah, I'll do that, and then I'll make a note that take the range from 8 New York time, the midpoint, and project on the time that's average. Noted. See, every day I learn something new. Oh, here we go. Okay. Damn. Look at it go. Would have literally just hit where TP is, but like you said, the rip. I'm gonna copy paste this. My notepad is so full of information, it's ridiculous. Oh. I accidentally copied stream elements as well. Don't need to know that, thanks. Thanks very much. What's the price difference between my buy and sell almost on a daily basis? It depends on the day. Runal? Yeah. Clayton, what up? Sorry, there was a lot. David, what did you just super chat? Thanks. Thank you. David, you're the G. Oh, you're funny. Okay. Thanks. What I was saying was, if I missed anyone's previous messages, I apologize. I was actually, believe it or not, focusing on the chart for a fun little change of pace. Anyways, your last dollar. Well, then I feel special, thank you. I appreciate it. Reversal, wait for break of structure. So Martin, what do you think? This is the reversal. About to test VWAP. I don't trust my VWAPs to... yeah. Let's see, let's wait for... I can't even wait for... It's time, guys. Thank you, David. Yes, I will. Let me finish reading these. It's time, and it looks like it was just about to get good. Oh, wait, let me make a note here. if I didn't go. Yeah. If I didn't go break even, this would have been a winning trade. I think I made my break even too big also. Also wouldn't have tapped me. Damn! Oh well. It's fine. You have data to back it up, so it's objective data, not I think. Flip, I hear you, I hear you, I hear you, but my argument is it's never 100% guaranteed, right? Jordy? I know, I'm like, a little bit, I'm trying to decide if that's disrespectful, be like, here. Jordy, that was funny. Charles, what model do I use? So this is my own little strategy that I have. Oh, goodness, okay. Jordy, is this a 4R strategy that's playing out right now? From here? Let's see. I need to actually go to my horses, but I'm quite invested in seeing if this continues further down now. So anyway, sorry, Charles, I use my own little strategy. It uses ICT and SMC concepts. And market auction theory, yes. What's the biggest I've ever gotten? I think it was like 30 pounds. I don't know if that's right. Maybe that's wrong. You lost your last 100. Damn, I'm sorry. Looks like double bottom this W shape. It kind of does, actually. Let's see if it would have been a 4R. Where would 4R be? I mean, here 3.9. If I made this a 3R strat. I mean, here's 3R. So that could have been 3R right there. So when early, so I know it hits if you want it. David, I guess that makes sense. That does make sense. No, no, that's valid, 100%. Okay, yes, JF, I'm going. You're right. I need to go work with them. Go on, David, let's do this. David, maybe, yeah, I mean, being up 6k, why not? You know, don't let greed control you. No, that's just me talking. Stick to your strategy. You do what works for you and what you feel is right. I think at the end of the day, that's it. Okay. I'm gonna call it there. Let me go work the horses. I'll be back. I'll be back for the New York session. Guys, if you want to help out and support me, if you guys use any of these prop firms, or if you want to give any of these prop firms a try and you want to use my code, the support would be amazing. Thank you. But $200 or $300, pick one. 200? I don't know. I feel like asking for more is greedy. I mean, 200 is a lot. Anyways, David, damn. Casbox, sorry, I need to, if you want, pop me an email and I can send you the link. Okay. Just an FYI, guys, we're nearly at 50 people on Discord. I'm gonna cap it at 50 for now. Right, so just a heads up, if you want to get in on this, you better hurry. We're nearly at 50 people. Oh, Oh, nice. Okay, Vijay, awesome. I'll then see you for the New York session. Justin, okay, sure. No problem. Justin, if you want to, you can also send me an email and can even have like a Discord discussion on it and we can go through it if you're keen for that. That is also an option. The Rip, of course, thank you. I'm not sure if you trade New York. If you do, I'm here. No, man, David, you don't owe me anything. Anyways, you don't owe me anything. Thanks, Casbox. Okay, you guys are amazing. I will send the various things to people when I'm done with my horses. Okay, so let me head off to the horses quick sticks. JF, you ruined it. Okay. I love you guys madly. I will see you back here for the New York session. Have an amazing day, morning, evening, wherever you are at. And I will see you later. Go on, Casbox. Do it, do it. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.